In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on auto-translate messages in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are in a meeting where other speakers, they don't speak your native language and you can't understand their language, then you can turn on auto-translate option that is available in your Microsoft Teams. To do this, just go to your account like I am on my account here, and then go to this settings by tapping on these three dots and you should see settings. Now from settings, go to general option and scroll down to translation. Under translation, we have first translate message into this language. Choose the language that you want messages to be translated to. For my case, I'll wish all messages to be translated to English, that is United States. And now to make sure this works, go to the second option, how to handle messages in other languages. Toggle this and choose this option, auto translate all messages. By choosing this, now all messages that come in that are not in English will be translated to your current language that you chose, which is English. So that's how you can turn on auto translate messages in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.